Welcome back. Time now for the business review. Businesses are uncertain whether they will be given the opportunity to cash in on the Christmas dollar this year. President of the Old Harbour Chamber of Commerce says her members are in wait-and-see mode. Andrew Laidley reports.
In any other year, businesses would have already started to stock up for Christmas, anticipating higher demand, which usually comes with the Yuletide season. But not this year. President of the Old Harbour Chamber of Commerce, Trisha Reed McCullough, says her members are waiting to hear what kind of initiatives will be implemented to facilitate business.
It is still a wait-and-see situation. It is still a wait-and-see because we're not sure what will happen, and we don't want to spend this vast amount of money and seeing it sitting down in our place after January. So people are still looking in and looking out, wondering what will happen, what is going to happen, what will Christmas be like this year? Will we have a grand market? Those are some of the questions that I've been hearing. And I am even asking myself as well, because as a spa, grand market day is a big day for us. That entire week is a big week for us. But we're anticipating it. We're looking to see what is going to happen.
She's appealing to the government to relax the restrictions on movement for Christmas, highlighting that it will be a reprieve for her members.
We don't want to preempt the Prime Minister, but any extension given to us, the business community welcomes it and would appreciate it, because seeing to the fact that we have been under early curfews for so long, income has been declined, revenues has been declined tremendously. But if it is that the curfew, the Prime Minister really gives us an ease, it is a responsibility to us as the business owners to ensure that the protocols are being in place and maintained to level the curve.
But it's not all dependent on the government. She also noted that business owners will have to commit to the digital transition in order to make the most of the Christmas dollar this year.
We have to embrace the digital world that we're entering into. We are embarking on a digital world, and it is something that has been coming for a while. Not just COVID has brought it on, because they have been pushing us online for the longest while.
The Old Harbour Chamber president admitted that many businesses, including her own, will have to adapt quickly to the digital wave sweeping the island.
A lot of businesses are going to be affected. Well, my business is 60% of my business is cash, not online, but cash 40% is online. And that I know for sure based on the data. And other businesses, the restaurants, Kaluga Cafe or Russell's, most of those two businesses, I think, basically is the same thing, 60% to 40% cash.
She says the impending closure of the Scotiabank branch in Old Harbour will make things more difficult this Christmas.
The bank is the nearest place for you to go and refill your petty cash. Now it's like if you don't have any cash, I don't know what will happen. And then when you go to the supermarket as well to buy change, you can't get it because mostly machine, all of the money gone in the machine, so they really don't have change. So I don't know how we're going to work that out. But I don't know. I really don't know, because you can't jump in your car and go to Maypen to get petty cash or Spanish Town. That's gas and time. And if we're operating from a business point of view, you waste time, you waste money.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.